Hey y'all, it's Mary and welcome to Friday Night Gab. So y'all, Christmas is past already and it's the new year is any minute now. What are we gonna do? Time is going by too fast for me, way too fast, y'all. Did y'all have a good Christmas? What are your plans for the new year? I had a very nice 4 days off and it was very, very nice. But it was horribly cold and I swapped up my heat. It's a long story about the heat in the South and what works and what doesn't work. And I have damage to my house, some water damage. So I am waiting for, I did hear from the insurance adjuster, but I'm waiting for him to come out and look at my house. And in the meantime, my house is livable. So I'm not complaining. There's a lot worse out there. So, I imagine that several of you have troubles as well. So I feel for you, and I'm sorry for you if you do. And our weather is insanely crazy because it was below, it was in the minuses without wind chill. Or maybe that was with the wind chill. I think it got like it to 7. That's true. It got to 7. The wind chill was the minuses. 7 doesn't work here where I live. It doesn't work. Buildings can't be open. Houses can't be open. It's just the way things are built. It just is. We're not equipped for it. So anyway, it was rough. But I mean, I was comfortable. My house is comfortable, and but I do have some water damage. So we're looking into that. Okay. Anyway, like I said, I hope everybody's okay, and I hope that I know a lot of people have been sick, the flu, colds, COVID, the whole shebang, and a lot of other things. So please take care of yourself, y'all. And my Christmas was good. So I enjoyed it. It was fairly quiet, and I got to rest a lot, which was nice. And I filmed a lot, which was nice. So what are y'all doing this holiday weekend? I will be off for 3 days this weekend. So I'm getting really used to that. I don't know what I'm going to do. Next week, we have a 4-day week. And then the following week we'll be back to normal, and I don't know if I can handle that. So hopefully I'll be able to handle it. I hope that y'all will too. So, but it's been nice. So yeah, I've enjoyed it, and I've just loved all of the cards and well wishes and things that y'all have sent me. So thank you so much. You're very, very kind people. I love y'all very, very much. I wanted to say that well, I've got a few things to say. I just feel like I'm discombobbled as always. So you know, that Melts makeup mystery bundle that I got was really, really good, y'all. They still have it. They have a $25 one, which is what I got. They had a $25 Black Friday box that Cece got from Cece's Trial Size Life. And now it's different. It's I don't think it says anything on it, but it's I think it's the December box. Then they have $75 boxes, which Cece got one of those. I don't remember which one she got, but there's a December, and then there's just one that's $75. So I'm not sure what it's all about. But anyway, their products are very high-end, expensive. It's an indie company, and their products are expensive. So these mystery bundles are fantastic, and I got some great stuff. The boys are shooting through the house. So I wanted to just say, excuse me, I did love, love, love the lipstick. I don't have it on now, but the lip liner was very, very dry. I did try it, and I think what I'm gonna do is sharpen it, and maybe that will help, but I haven't done it yet. I've never been a real big lip liner person, so it's not that big of a deal to me. So anyway, I wanted to talk to y'all about the advent calendars. So I have had over 40 people enter. Over 40. That is fantastic. I'm so excited because I really didn't know what y'all were gonna think of it. So everybody told me it was lots of fun. Some people gave up. I can understand that. You know, it's a busy time, holiday season. Going forward, I'm gonna try to do something similar to it. You know, we don't have advent calendars, but I'm gonna do some bonus things in some videos to correlate with my treasure trove. This is pulling on me. Sorry about that. Everybody that entered got to be entered. Most everybody had correct answers. Some people did not have correct answers, but you tried really hard. And you were, pretty accurate. But I want to make it clear, I did a video the other day about this on the current giveaway. It's called The Christmas Treasure Hunt is Over. The Advent Treasure Hunt is going on now. So that started on Monday, which was December 26th, and it will run through, the calendar runs through January 6th, and then that ends January 10th at midnight. So that gives you time to get your lists to me. You do not have to tell me each day what comes in the calendar. Do not do that. Just say, for example, day 1, if I show you a Spongel, then say day 1 Spongel. And if day 2 I show you nothing, then you don't have to tell me anything about day 2. But if it helps you on your list, because some people typed it all out, and then some people took pictures of their lists and sent them to me, which was just fine. Any way you did it was fine. If I needed clarification, I asked you. So if you need to write down day 2 and nothing, or a line through it, that's fine. But you don't have to tell me about those days. If you're going to type an email, you don't have to do that. Okay. So people, you can send screenshots on Instagram, and you can send screenshots on Messenger. So I do have this for today. This is a bonus item. So how it's going to work again is you have to know all of the items in the actual advent calendar to be entered for each of the days that have something, and then other videos that I do may have a bonus item in them. And if they do, like this one, then you can win this if you write it down. So this is the Winter Rose Spongel. This is fantastic. I know it's called rose. It does have a bit of a scent of rose, but it has a very floral scent. It's not overpowering of rose. It's a winter item. See how cutely it's decorated and all. So I just like it and thought it was pretty. And it's wonderful. And Spongel is one of my very favorite products that I have discovered from starting my channel. And I want everybody to use Spongels because they're so wonderful. They are just they're luxurious. The sponge itself, it's hard when you start with it, and it softens up as you use it. It has soap already in it, a non-drying soap. When you use it on your arms, your legs, it buffs your skin. So I used to have alligator skin on my legs, and I have to slather on the lotion and everything. And not to say that I don't put lotion on. I do sometimes. I don't always put lotion on my legs, but I don't have to slather it on because my legs are not dry because I use a Spongel, and that sloughs off all the dead skin. So it's a great product. I want everybody to have one. Wish I could send everybody one, but I'm not able to do that. So I have a lot of things coming up in January. Stay tuned for quite a few giveaways going on. I may, if we're supposed to be having bad weather this weekend, so I may do a live tomorrow sometime during the day. It's no big deal if you can't make it, but if you can, great. I don't know that I'll be able to give much notice if I do it, but I thought I would do the picking of the winner for the Christmas treasure hunt live. And so I may do that tomorrow. But if there's, thunder, lightning, all that, and it doesn't allow me to do it, then I won't be. But if I do it, it'll be sometime tomorrow. I don't know what time, but I'm figuring like 1, 2, 3 o'clock, somewhere like that, Central Time. So anyway, but I may not do it. Like I said, if you don't see me pop up, then it means the weather was bad or something. So I do have, what's coming up on Sunday. That's January 1st. Charmaine's Staycation is doing a fabulous month-long collab. And she's doing this with 31 different channels. There's 31 days in January. She's doing it with 31 different channels. And she's doing a giveaway every single day. And all of us creators are doing a giveaway every single day. But how it's going to work, when I do my video, which just so happens to be Sunday, January 1st, I'm the first person. I'm the first channel that is, she's starting off with me. I will be having a giveaway, and so will Charmaine. And you have to be subscribed to both of us. Don't worry, you don't have to be subscribed to all 31 channels. Now, on the other hand, I have looked at the list of the 31 channels, and you probably know a lot of them already. And, you know, if you want to meet some new people, meet some new channels, you may. Because, you know, I don't know who you're subscribed to. But you don't have to be subscribed to all 31 of us. But for each day, like say day 5, you'll have to be subscribed to that channel and to Charmaine. Okay? And, yeah, so it's going to be fun. The whole point of it is Charmaine wants to help people not be blue. So it's to keep away the blues. So we're going to be talking about music, and we're going to be talking, giving, asking some questions, and ask you to answer questions and doing giveaways. So it should be a really fun time, and I'm so excited that I'm the first person. So we'll see how it goes. I'm excited. I know it's going to go great because I know Charmaine is fantastic. I love her. And she's up in Canada, and she's doing all this. I mean, she's going to blow the bank, but she wants to. So she wants to help people not be in a blue state in January. Because that, after the holidays, a lot of people get down at the holiday time, and true, but a lot of people have a good time. And then when January hits, it's like it's all over. Well, that was all over, and you're just bored and dragged out. And this will hopefully perk you up. So, okay? So stay tuned for that. And what else do I have to say? I have several giveaways going on myself. I do have a giveaway going on with Charmaine. Charmaine and I share December 17th as our birth dates. So we did a collab together. And hers is ending soon, but mine I did a little bit longer because I have another giveaway going on that's ending soon. So I think I've done mine through January 7th, I think, on my birthday collab with Charmaine. And then I have an I Won So You Can Win giveaway going on. You have to be subscribed to the 3 channels involved there, which is me, Unboxing with Arlene, and Fozzie Bear, Jason. And for my birthday collab, again, for Charmaine and for me, you have to be subscribed to both of us to win. Publicly subscribed to all of these now, okay? Publicly subscribed. And then I also have my Advent treasure hunt going on right now, and that will run through January 10th. And then I have my treasure trove, which normally around the end of the month, beginning of the month, I swap it over again. But I did tell you all last time that it would probably go a little bit longer this time, just because of all these other giveaways and because of the holidays and because of all the filming and all that's been going on. So I'm not sure exactly when I'm going to end that, but I always let it run at least 3 weeks. So that's that. So that's what I've got going on as far as I know. And I hope that you all have a wonderful New Year's Eve. I have in my lifetime gone out on New Year's Eve and have had a great time. And I learned as a kid, my parents would have a party at our house. So that way they didn't have to drive. So you could have a cocktail. And then, we make sure we take care of the people that were at the party. But I am not doing anything. And I must say that it's rare these days that I even stay up till midnight. So, don't come at me for that. Don't come at me for that. I do the best I can. So I'll be here with my boys, and I'm just gonna really relax as much as I can this weekend because it's back to the old grind next week. And I do have to worry about that water damage that I have. I have to move things around in that room so that it can be looked at and repaired. So I will be doing that type of thing. So, but at least it's not going to be freezing here. So I'm glad of that. So if you're in a place where it's very, very cold and you're getting tons of snow, know that I'm thinking of you and I'm praying for you, and I pray for you guys every night. And I love you all so much. And I thank you for being here, and happy New Year. And I'll see you before then. Hopefully you'll come by and see me each day. And check out these giveaways that are going on now. A few of you all have commented on a couple of them and said, oh, how did I miss this? So I know with the Advent thing going on, there's a lot you can miss. So just, go and see those if you can. And I know there's a lot to see, so I understand. I think that's it, y'all. And I'm just happy to be off for 3 days. Yay, and Happy New Year. And I am praying that 2023 is going to be a great year, a healthy year, a prosperous year, a joyful year for all of us. And that, the world, I'm praying that the world can end up right. That's what I'm praying. So love y'all and count your blessings. Bye-bye.